Egg substitutes. For any food you think you might be sensitive to, first stop eating it for 21 days. Then reintroduce it by eating a bit of it at every meal. Notice whether your body, mind, or emotions exhibit any of your trademark inflammatory symptoms. If so, this food may be more challenging for you to digest. This does not mean that you must eliminate the food entirely. It is just a reminder to eat it occasionally, as opposed to daily. A true food allergy can trigger severe symptoms like anaphylaxis. If this is the case, you likely already know that you must avoid a certain food as a life-saving measure. Egg substitutes. Substitute 1. 1 mashed banana or a 1/4 cup of applesauce per egg. This is best for baked goods. For an egg white substitute, 1 tablespoon agar flakes, whisked into 1 tablespoon water and chilled for 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons ground flaxseed mixed with a 1/4 cup of water is the third egg substitute suggestion.